Can you help me count my rubber duckies? Awesome! Let's go! We've got 1 rubber ducky, 2 rubber duckies, 3 rubber duckies, 4 rubber duckies, 5 rubber duckies, 6 rubber duckies, 7 rubber duckies, 8 rubber duckies, 9 rubber duckies, and wait a minute, you're not a rubber ducky, you're a frog. All right, hop away, Mr. Frog. Great job! We have 9 rubber duckies. Can you help me count them again? We have 1 rubber ducky, 2 rubber duckies, 3 rubber duckies, 4 rubber duckies, 5 rubber duckies, 6 rubber duckies, 7 rubber duckies, 8 rubber duckies, 9 rubber duckies. What sound does a duck make? That's right, it goes quack, 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 quack. That's so cool. Rubber ducks are awesome. Thank you for helping me count. Hey, can you help me count my rubber frogs? Awesome! Let's count. We have 1 rubber froggy, 2 rubber froggies, and 3 rubber froggies. Awesome! That's so cool. Wait a minute. Who's that? You're not a rubber frog. You're a flamingo. We're gonna count you guys next. Let's go. Can you help me count my pink rubber flamingos? Awesome. Let's count. We have 1 rubber flamingo, 2 rubber flamingos, 3 rubber flamingos, 4 rubber flamingos, and wait a minute, you're not a flamingo, you're a rubber ducky. That's right, we have 4 rubber flamingos. Thank you so much for helping me count. Hey Planeteers, are you looking for more reading content? Look for My First Numbers on Amazon. Join Pippy, Lunar, Sunny, and all their number friends as they explore the adventurous world of numbers and counting with fun illustrations and pictures to guide you along.